People say experience is the best teacher, but 5 years of experience can be heavy burden. If you have nothing to show for it, I spent 5 long years on channel, giving it my best, my nights, my energy, my dreams. But today, I'm standing here to tell you, being busy is not the same as being successful. If you're struggling with low views despite all your hard work, this video is your wake-up call. For 5 years, I focused on the wrong thing. For years, I focused on the wrong things. I thought over editing and fancy transitions would make me go viral. I was fake busy, creating content that no one actually asked for. I was inconsistent, jumping from one topic to another, which confused the YouTube algorithm also, and my own subscribers. I was working hard, but I was not working smart. I used to think monetization was a finish line, but the reality is much darker. Making just $10 in 7 months is soul crushing. When you have put in the thousands of hours, I realized it was not YouTube's fault. It was mine. I did not follow the rules. I spent 80% of my time on minor details and only 20% on what actually matters. The script, the hook. After 5 years, I'm not quitting. I'm restarting with a completely new mindset. No more perfectism. I'm taking all my failures and turning them into a roadmap. I'm committing to the 100 video rules with a clear niche and sharp focus. If I can survive 5 years of failure, I'll surely build a lifetime of success starting now. Don't wait 5 years like I did. Start smart. Focus on your CTR, your hook. The most important, your consistency. I'm on my 30-day challenge and I want to join me. Subscribe to see how I rebuild from scratch. Let's win together. My name is Sania and the journey begins now.